Your muscle just ran out of fuel. Not the kind you think. Every muscle contraction runs on ATP. It's the only currency your cells accept. But here's the problem. You only store enough ATP for about 2 seconds of maximum effort. So when you sprint, lift heavy, or jump as hard as you can, your ATP vanishes almost instantly. Enter phosphocreatine. It's your muscle's emergency battery system. You store about 5 times more phosphocreatine than ATP, and it exists for one purpose only: instant ATP regeneration. The moment ATP breaks down to release energy, phosphocreatine donates its phosphate group to rebuild it. Creatine kinase is the enzyme that makes this swap happen. It's incredibly fast. This system buys you another 8 to 10 seconds of maximum power output, which is huge. That's the difference between 7 reps and 9, between clearing the bar and missing the jump. But once phosphocreatine runs low, it takes 2 to 5 minutes to fully recharge, which is exactly why rest periods matter for strength and power training. So when you supplement with creatine, you're not taking energy directly. You're increasing your phosphocreatine storage capacity, typically by 20 to 40%. More stored phosphocreatine means you can regenerate ATP faster and longer before hitting that wall, which shows up as 1 or 2 more reps per set. Have you noticed that shift? Drop it in the comments. Over weeks and months, that extra volume compounds. More total work done equals more adaptation. There's also a hydration component. Creatine pulls water into muscle cells. That cell swelling might trigger anabolic signaling. The research suggests it contributes to growth over time. But let's be clear. Creatine isn't magic. It's just giving your existing energy system more runway. Some people respond dramatically. Others see modest gains. Depends partly on how much creatine you were getting from food beforehand. If you eat a lot of red meat, your baseline stores are already higher. Vegetarians and vegans tend to see bigger jumps because they start from a lower baseline. You can load with 20 grams per day for a week to saturate quickly, or just take 5 grams daily and get there in 3 to 4 weeks. Either way, you end up at the same place. And timing doesn't matter. Morning, post-workout, midnight. It's about total daily saturation, not acute effects. So that's what creatine actually does. It stocks your muscles' backup energy system so you can push harder before the lights go out. Simple mechanism, real results. Subscribe for more supplement science every week.